how to fix the black and white display issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility features. Now in accessibility features, tap on this accessibility option on the top, and then from here, if you have enabled, now tap on color correction, and if you have enabled color correction, it will make your screen black and white. So to fix this black and white screen, tap on this button to turn it off. So after turning off, the black and white screen issue will be fixed. But after this, if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings. Now tap on display and brightness. Now if you have enabled dark mode, then there may be a glitch that can make your screen black and white in the dark mode. So tap on this light mode and switch to light mode. And after switching to light mode, the black and white screen issue will be fixed. But after doing this, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on reset. Now click on reset all settings, and then again click on this reset all settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset all settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after doing this, the black and white display issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the black and white display on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.